two prisms having a different refractive index are joined together. And what will be the value of refractive angle of a second prism if they are producing a dispersion without deviation? It's known that for a dispersion without deviation, the net deviation by two prism must be 0. Or else we can say del 1 plus del 2 will be equal to 0. The deviation caused by the prism can be written in a formula del is equal mu minus 1 times A, whereas mu is representing the value of refractive index and A is representing the value of refractive angle. So for two prisms, we can write mu1 minus 1 of A1 plus mu2 minus 1 of A2 will be equal to 0. From the question, we can write mu1 is equal 1.4 refractive index of a one glass prism, whereas A1 is a corresponding refractive angle which is given as 10 degree, whereas mu2 is a refractive index of a second prism which is given as 1.7. We are going to calculate only it. Now we can apply the value. So when we are applying the value, we can get 1.42 minus 1 times 10 plus 1.7 minus 1 times A2 is equal 0. When we are simplifying this, we will get A2 is equal negative 4.2 divided by 0.7. When we are simplifying, we will get negative 6 degree. Here the question is about only calculating the magnitude of angle. So we can say it will be equal 6 degree and the correct answer here will be option A.